मदनी का चैनल बहुत अच्छा है और जब भी स्पीच हुई
हाँ,
Honorable
10-10
principal
व्यूज़
of
आते हैं।
respected colleagues and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to talk about a phenomena that has revolutionized the world BJP, a phenomena that has bridged social, economic, and geographical gaps, a phenomena that has made our world a global village, a phenomena about which the IMF Director General once said that this phenomena has a potential to the to uplift the humanity from the deep valleys of poverty into the light of prosperity. Yes, this phenomena is called globalization. Globalization is a free flow of thoughts, ideas, experiences, and our goods and services across the world. Globalization has brought humanity more closer than ever. It has provided many new job structures. It has provided many new reforms in the world, and it has many benefits. For example, we can say that it has provided new opportunities for businesses to grow and expand across the world. It has opened new marketplaces with diverse range of products. It has created new jobs. It has increased economic growth. It has enabled us to enjoy a diverse range of products in developed as well as in underdeveloped nations. With benefits, it has some demerits as well. As Kofi Annan, the seventh Secretary General and Nobel Peace Prize winner, once remarked that globalization is the key to many opportunities, but it has also created many problems with it. For example, it has causes social insecurity in the society. It has caused depletion of the resources. It has caused the degradation in the society. But with all the merits and demerits of the globalization, let's not forget to harness the power of globalization to create a more interconnected, interdependent, and inclusive world. A world where cultural diversity is celebrated, economic opportunities are accessible for all, and global cooperation is the norm. Thank you very much.